Hello, students. Hope you are doing well and enjoying this weather, the rainy one. But I just want to ask you a question: that do you expect this kind of weather, the rainy one, in this month of April or May? No, I don't think that you expect this, but still it's raining. Now it is because of climate change, and as it is raining in the morning today in the morning, it was raining. So as it is raining in the morning, so we can say that today's weather is good. Today it's raining, so today's weather is rainy, right? But at the same time, in the evening, you may not see rain, so you will see the weather is changing constantly. It is changing. So in this chapter we are going to talk about weather and climate. People often misunderstand with weather and climate. They often replace these two terms, but we are not going to do this, right? Now I have a question on the screen. If you see outside, what will be your answer? Your answer will be any one of them. You will say that it is the weather is sunny or cloudy or stormy or snowy or rainy or windy, right? Or you may not say any these things. You may say something related to that. So in this chapter particularly, I'm going to talk about that how weather is changing time to time and place to place, and how climate is different from weather. I said different from weather. I did not say that it is detached from weather, right? It is related to weather, but it is different from weather. So let's have a look. This is the weather forecast of India. Now you can see this weather forecast of India. It was recorded on 28th April 2020. If you see the temperature of Srinagar, it is 23 degree, whereas the temperature of Ahmedabad is 43 degree. You can see the change here. Moreover, in Ahmedabad there is sunny day, while in Srinagar the day is cloudy. Now, if you turn the very south from Srinagar, you will see Hyderabad, right? Hyderabad is there. There the day is cloudy and there is lightning too. Thus, we can say that weather changes time to time. Here you remember, weather changes time to time. In the morning, the weather is hot. In the evening, you will see there is no hot weather anymore. It actually happened today. In the morning there was hot sunny day, but now it is raining, and there is a cloudy day. So you remember here that weather changes time to time and varies place to place. Now moving towards the definition of weather. So the definition of weather is the state of the atmosphere over a short period of time is termed as weather. Here you remember two important things, right? State of the atmosphere is determined by many factors. For example, temperature, humidity, precipitation, cloud. So these are many factors which determine the state of the atmosphere. Now over a short period of time, this is for a short period of time, as I've just given you one example, that in the morning it was hot and the evening it started raining, so the day became cool, right? So it is for a short period of time. Weather can change time to time, means in the morning something else was there, afternoon something else is there, and evening something else is there. So it is for a short period of time, and it is termed as weather. So very two important things which you are going to remember here, that is state of atmosphere, and it is for the short period of time. Now after this, climatic zones of India, sorry. You can see on the screen there is a map of India, right? And there are various climatic zones. You can see hot and dry climatic zone, warm and humid climatic zone, moderate climatic zone. So there are many climatic zone. But here you remember that this climatic zone is not recorded yesterday, not recorded last week, not recorded last year, right? So the climate is determined by many factors, and it is recorded, for a long period of time. So we cannot say that climate can be like in one day we announce that today suppose it started raining, so it will determine the climate of India. No, many weather forecast for many years, scientists, they just watch the weather forecast and they see the weather of that particular place, and after that only the climate is announced. Now, the next part is we are going towards the bookish definition of climate. So, what the climate is actually? So, the weather conditions for a given location over a relatively long period of time is termed as climate. Now, here you remember again the two things. Weather conditions we have to say, we have to see for a given location over relatively long period of time. Now, weather conditions, long period of time. Do you remember in weather, in the definition of weather, what did we learn? Weather, in weather we learned atmospheric state, right? And short period. And here you remember weather conditions and long period. So we have to see the weather conditions, not of a day, not of a week, not of a month, and not of an year even. At least 30 to 35 years, these weather conditions are recorded, and after that only, that is a long period, no? That is why it is called relatively long period of time. And after that only, the climate of a particular place can be told. Now, moving towards the next part. So, I'm just summing up what I have told you. Climate is what we expect, and weather is what we get. Now, here in India, in the month of May, we generally expect hot temperature. But what we are getting these days, we are getting rain all over the throughout the country. So, we can say that this is not what we have expected. What we have expected was climate, and what we are getting is weather. I hope the very idea of weather and climate is clear to you. Now, moving towards the next part, that is weather, and here I have given you the note in detail. Right now, weather is the sum total of the atmospheric conditions at a given place, including temperature, rainfall, wind, humidity, etc. Here is full stop is there, but it should be etc. Right? So weather, how do we get to know about the weather? So what we have to see, we have to see the temperature, we have to see rainfall, wind, humidity, cloud, precipitation, all these things. We have to see all these factors determine the weather. In fact, it is a state of atmosphere of a given place at a given time. Weather can be sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, humid, or snowy. It may change at a given place from time to time. As I have told you and I have shown you in the very first or second slide, right? I have shown you that there was a picture, and there was sunny day, cloudy, rainy, windy, humid or snowy. So just that very thing only is delivered here. It may change at a given place from day to day. So it may change day to day also, even hour to hour also. Weather can be changed even hour to hour, time to time, day to day. So it is for a short period of time. Now, at some places, the weather remains same for the whole year. Now, this is an exception. It happens, some places are there where the weather is almost all the time same. For example, in the forest of Africa, the weather is always hot and humid with heavy rainfall every afternoon. This weather remains the same throughout the same in African forest. So, in African forest, you see the weather is almost same throughout the year. All weather conditions are mainly caused by sun. Now in this paragraph we are talking about the weather conditions and how it is caused by. So mainly it is caused by sun. And now what happens because of sun? So because of sun, the earth heats up, and the atmosphere of the earth is also heat up, right? Because of sun. Now, when the atmosphere and the earth start heating, what happens? The hot air rises and the cooler air rushes in its place. Rushes in its place means comes in its place. This process, along with the rotation of earth, causes winds to blow. Now, because of this hot air and cooler air and the rotation of the earth, winds blow. Right? All these three factors, cause the wind to blow. Now, this is responsible for the weather conditions of a place. The heat of the sun causes evaporation of water from different water bodies. Now, because of the heat, because of sun, the evaporation happens, right? So, because of the evaporation from different water bodies, what happens? Clouds form. So this causes cloud formation, and later on, because of cloud formation, condensation, precipitation, rain, hail, snow, all these things are happening. Now this mainly affects the weather of a place, and this is how the weather of a place is affected, right? So in this paragraph is very important, right? Because in this paragraph we are going to talk about what are the very important natural things which affect the weather. Now, moving towards the next part, which is climate. Climate refers to the atmospheric conditions over relatively a long period of time. As you can see, long period of time. In fact, climate can be defined as average weather conditions prevailing recorded over a long period of time. As I have told you that climate, how do we determine, how do we know about the climate? By seeing the average weather conditions. The description of a climate covers a large area, and it is for a large area, for a long period, and for a large area. It is based on the calculated averages of weather data recorded over a relatively long period of time. The climate of a place depends on its location on the earth. So how does the climate of a place depend on? So it is depend on the location of the place, where it is located. If it is located near the equator, absolutely the climate will be hot. And if it is located near the poles, poles means north pole or south pole, obviously the climate will be cold. So it depends upon the location of a place. The places near the sea, and now the second factor, not only location, it also depends on if a place, suppose, is nearby the sea. So there the moderate climate you will see, right? And if it is located nearby the mountain, so obviously the cold climate you will see. Apart from that, in this apart from that, altitude also affect, the climate of a place. So these are the different things. We are going to discuss these things in detail later on. Factors affecting the climate of any place, or factors affecting the climate of India. We are going to discuss all these things later on. Now these are the basic difference between weather and climate. Weather relates to the daily atmospheric changes and conditions, and climate represents atmospheric conditions over relatively longer period of time. So here you have to remember weather for a short period, and climate for a long period of time. And as I've already told you, about 35 years of time period. Now weather, it changes many times in a day, and climate, it remains constant for a long period. Here I said constant for a long period. I did not say constant for always. Climate is also changing these days because of global warming, right? So here you remember that it remains constant for a long period, and weather changes time to time, many times in a day. Now, the third point, weather changes occur over a small region. So, weather changes we see for a small region, and climate is for larger region. Now, these are the elements of weather which determine the condition of the weather, or which kind of weather it is. So, the first one, that is temperature. Second one, atmosphere. Third one, humidity. Fourth one, precipitation. And the last one, clouds. In the next video, children, we are going to discuss about these elements of weather in detail. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Be in touch, and keep on watching the videos, and keep on learning, right? Take care.